Dramatic car chase linked to Genasyde and the Darksyde gang war in central Kingston.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, an ongoing feud between warring gangs in the Parade Gardens community of central Kingston spilled out onto the streets of the capital by way of a spectacular car chase on Friday evening. It is understood that all 4 men taken into custody are linked to the Darksyde gang that operates between Cloverley Road and Maiden Lane in a section of Parade Gardens called Southside. Official reports are that about 6 p.m. on Friday the 16th of April, occupants of a white Toyota Probox motorcar bearing government registration plates 202060 opened gunfire on a group of persons at the intersection of George's Lane and Law Street in Kingston, injuring 5 persons. The police are theorizing that this shooting was intended to be the latest exchange in a long-running series of drive-by shootings perpetrated on each other by both gangs. Except this time the quick response of 2 police units assigned to the Kingston Central Police Division turned this drive-by shooting into a dramatic car chase. The Probox sped off in the direction of Harborview with the police team in hot pursuit. Upon reaching the Total gas station in the vicinity of the Harborview roundabout, there was a collision between the Probox and one of the service vehicles, bringing the Probox to a stop. 4 men, all between the ages of 24 and 28, were taken into custody. 3 firearms and 17 rounds of ammunition were recovered. The weapons, a Glock 17 pistol with the serial number erased, and 2 Smith & Wesson Taurus pistol with the serial numbers also erased were recovered. The condition of the victims was not known at the time of this publication.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!